now that we've made the tumbler, now I'm going to show you how to make this wooden frame, and it's not very complicated. You don't have to make it as nice as this. Okay, so now we have our barrel made. I changed the bolts to the side. It's keeping this more even. So in case it would open during spinning when it's in auto from the thing, it's lovely and smooth as runs. Now the next thing we're making, this is the stand, so that's finished. This is part 2. We'll have to determine what length. So we have plenty of clearance there, maybe 1.5 inches. We can let another little bit here. The reason I'm putting it on this plywood is we're going to measure it. We're going to measure the plywood. We're going to lift this up clean. So I'm going to mark the end of the block here. And we'll then measure the end of the block here. That's going to be the length of our, because we're using 2x2 that way. And that would be our measurement. So we're going to lift it up clean here. Clean lift. And then we can get our measurement. Now that's 100, 1.110. 1.11. 1.110. So 1110. 1 meter 10 or 111 centimeters if you're a dressmaker. Carpentry millimeters 1110. Okay, and now we're going to go down to the workshop and we keep that in mind. Okay. Okay, I'm just going to measure them here. 110, and I'll put it on the saw here. I'll put 2 of them. Rex is going to hold it here. You can cut them however you like. You don't need it. It's going to be too noisy anyway. Vacuum on. 2 pieces made. These are going to be the braces going to go. Now we're going to make the A-frame. We're going to divide up this one, so I'm going to get about 750 millimeters. So it'll be there, and that means the top of the tank will be about here. So I'll just cut this in half, and then cut it in half again. And it's 3 meters and 20, it's 10 foot. So they're going to be 2'6" high each. So most of you won't want to do the geometry or anything like this. This is square here, this table. So I'm putting this down here where they're meeting there. So this is the position they're in. And then we're going to cut this one here. You can do the geometry on it if you like, but best off for me, I think, is just to determine how much you want. Okay, so I'm going to take the measurement from here because that's level with there, and that's going to be my number then. So for our block that's going across goes on top of this, but I'm thinking we're going to put something else on top of it as well. So we have 35, yeah, something like that. So I'm going to measure 70 there. I'm going to make one of them is going to be template, okay? So then 370. Do it more light. Bit dull today. Today is my daughter's birthday. Her birthday party. Her birthday is, she's 4 years old. So happy birthday, Ciara. She's a keen gardener, so she don't know what compost is. So what I'm going to do is that's going to be template for the first one. So just double check. So that's going to be template. We're going to use that to mark. Okay. Now I've got my 2 A's together. Now how are you going to fix them? The best way to fix them, I don't think I'll put anything on the bottom. I'll put a brace here and a brace there. So I'll just I'll have to use the same kind of wood and not cut into it. For the ones going the other way, I'm going to cut in because I want to stop it going swaying that way. So it'll act as a brace. The 2 long ones we cut, they're down there. So we'll cut these out first before we put the thing together. I'll cut them out with the saw. I'm measuring down 500 from here on all of them, and then the thickness of the one going in here is going to be 190 millimeters exactly is what the wood is finished. So normally I'd go in half the thickness of whatever I'm putting in. You couldn't go in the whole way, but you're going to weaken this then. So I'm going to go in halfway, I think. Now I've marked them all down 500, and I've added 190, so we're going to cut a trench out with this here. Now I don't have dado blade, so I'm going over and back a lot further. Now the depth I'm going is determined by the height of the blade. Now this is an outdoor thing. I'm not going to be putting glue on this because of the weathering. Normally if I make up something, I'll be using tight bond or something like that. So I'm going to go down about that much, I think. When I say, no, we'll come up another little bit. I'm going to come up about 22 or 3 millimeters. So that's my. You're bringing me coffee. Coffee. Okay, coffee. Coffee time. Now that's not one. It's all done, and in case you're not following me, this goes in here, like so, and that stops it twisting. There'll be screws going in here, okay? Just in case you're not wondering what I'm doing. There'll be 4 of them. That's why we have 4 of them. And next thing we're going to do is join these two together. We didn't join them because I was doing that to them, so we're going to join them now. Out of the 2 10-foot wood, that's all I have left. Nothing more. Now, I'm going to put a dowel in just to stop it twisting. I think I'm going to, I don't know if I'm going to use all of that. It's very heavy. But later on, the thing is, later on we're going to be, we already know later on what we're going to be putting solar on this, so I'm not so sure. Anyway, next job is we'll put some dowels in here anyway. But I really want to have the piece. I might split this. Yeah, I'll split this on the saw. I'm going to put across here, but I'm going to put one there and one there. I'm going to put dowel in them as well to stop them twisting a little bit. I have this jig here, look. That should be more than half the length of this. No, I'm not long enough. Stop again. Start. Go. Okay, I'm just going to put the glue in the joints and that's about it. No need for glue really. I made up the plates here, look, just from this stuff, okay. We can put another one on afterwards. So, probably need a hammer to bang these in. They're a bit moist. Normally I put them in the oven before. Where's my small? Okay, it's clamped in okay. Now I'm going to just put the plate on the front of it. These are stainless. Should be no problem to go into. I have a line there that I squared it off. That's good. Okay, I trimmed them off now, and that's what they look like, both of them, length braces. So, oh, this looks a bit tight. That's okay. I don't mind them being a bit tight. These are not going to have glue in them. There's no need. Most of them are very tight. We want them tight for, the reason we want them tight is because it stops this, look, there's no give that way now, that's acting as a brace. You don't no need to put a brace on it. So, we're just going to screw these up now and then I'll get back to you. I've countersink these in nearly about 20 something millimeters because, first of all, I don't have longer stainless steel. They're stronger when they're gone in there. I'll put a little plug in them at a later date. Okay, so I'm after putting a piece here on top of that I had left over. We're going to put one there as well. Now we've got our nylon pieces, these two pieces, look, and taking one off and making sure, because it's on the bottom, we drill a hole here to take it. So I'm just going to put a little countersink on it for these. I'm going to put these screws in it. I'll just do the same on the other side and then I'll get back to you. And this only goes on one way. Yeah. You can see how freely it flows. Make a temporary handle for it. Well, it won't be temporary if I don't get to solve the problem with the solar power. So, in between time, I'll just put a handle here, just make up one from wood, back into wood. I'll delete that, there's anyway. It's going to have a little bit of pipe in it. This is just a quick job. Everybody wants me now, and I'm. You'll see what I'm doing in 1 minute. Oh, that's very crooked anyway. It's hard. I didn't get stainless because I don't have a one. Anyway, this is a temporary. It's a number 4, I think. And I'll put a washer on each end. You'll see what I'm going to do now in a minute, okay? What's going to happen? I'm going to notch it. So, I'm going to put a split here in this. In here to tighten this. I don't want this swiveling around. I was going to make, this is a temporary job. It's a 5-minute job. They're shouting at me to go off in the car, get this birthday party for my daughter. Edge of it definitely be okay, but washer sunk in, so I'm doing it for a second time now. A wider washer here, double washer. Hopefully it will tighten in on it. It needs, now let's see. Oh, now it's spinning. So anyway, that's part 1. That's part 2 finished. You won't tumble it fast like that. You'll be tumbling it slowly like this. So this part 2 is the stand. Part 3, it's going to take a while before I get some stuff. I'll be putting some sort of a motor here run by something coming up here to hold the solar panel. So thank you for watching. Thank you for watching part 2. And if you have any better ideas or whatever, what you think about it, thank you to Rex here. For doing the video, because normally I hold the video camera and work at the same time. Thank you for watching the video, and if you like it, please subscribe. to our channel, and we'll hopefully make some more new videos on this new channel. The old channel will still be going. I'll probably put this on the old channel all in one. That's the carpentry channel, but for the gardening channel I'm leaving this as one. So thank you for watching.